Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Leadjoy 2025 is here to transform how we think about leadership, making well-being an integral part of your professional success. This innovative framework helps you discover true joy in your leadership journey every single day. We'll show you practical, actionable ways to cultivate deep calm, even amidst the most demanding professional situations. Embrace a new era where effective leadership is truly joyful leadership. At its heart, Leadjoy draws from foundational Zen principles, starting with the power of presence. Being fully present allows leaders to focus entirely on the task at hand, enhancing their effectiveness and clarity. This deep mindfulness cultivates a profound inner calm, absolutely essential for making wise, thoughtful decisions. Learning to embrace impermanence also helps you navigate change with incredible resilience and much greater ease. Integrating Zen into your daily leadership doesn't require grand gestures. Small, consistent actions make a big difference. Try short mindfulness pauses before meetings to enhance clarity and focus. Practice truly active listening, allowing you to connect deeper with your team and understand their needs fully. Approach challenges with non-judgment, which surprisingly opens the door to more innovative and effective solutions for everyone involved. When high-pressure situations arise, Zen Leadjoy empowers you to remain calm and centered, allowing for clearer decision-making under stress. It helps transform potential workplace conflicts into valuable opportunities for deeper understanding and collective growth among your team. By prioritizing your own well-being through these principles, you ensure that you can lead not only effectively, but also sustainably, preventing burnout and fostering true joy. Embracing the Leadjoy 2025 framework isn't just about managing tasks. It's about cultivating genuine inner peace and professional joy. This mindful approach to leadership creates a powerful, positive ripple effect, inspiring everyone within your organization. Begin integrating these practical, transformative practices today and step onto a more fulfilling, sustainable, and truly joyful leadership path for yourself and for your entire team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.